Hello from AJ Educational Academy. So today we are going to start important question series for 9th class mathematics. So we have already completed a video from real numbers. First video wherein we discussed some important questions. So we thought of covering all long answers together. However, as per our convenience, first we will do important questions from all the chapters irrespective of marks, be it 6 marks, be it 4 or 2, right? So we'll start from real numbers. In real numbers, we have, in the first exercise we just have to look at the basics of it, because we might expect a 2 marks question and a bits as well here. So first, types of number system we have discussed in the previous class. What is it? Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. So natural numbers are nothing but the numbers which starts from 1, 2, 3, 4. All these numbers are natural numbers. The numbers which starts from 1 are nothing but natural numbers. Next, whole numbers. What are whole numbers? Number which starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, so on up to infinity. These numbers are whole numbers. Next, integers. Integers, negative infinity to positive infinity. Negative infinity, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. All these numbers are considered to be integers. Next, rational numbers. Rational numbers, any number which can be written in the form of p by q, numerator by denominator. Any number which can be written in the form of p by q, meaning numerator by denominator, like a fraction. All those numbers are called as rational numbers. And another way of defining rational number is point numbers, like 1.5, 2.3, minus 7.6. These numbers are also rational. If 1.5 is there, it is not a natural, it is not a whole, it is not an integer, but it is a rational number. Next, irrational number. Irrational numbers are nothing but the numbers which cannot be written in the form of p by q. The numbers which cannot be written in the form of p by q are called as irrational number. So set of all of these numbers till natural, these numbers are called as real numbers. So set of all of these numbers is called as real numbers. Clear? Now from this exercise, one of the gunshot 2 marks question is, we either have to write a question in the form of p by q, convert in the form of p by q. It will be, if it is a small question, you will get it for 2 marks or for 4 marks as well. And another important question is drawing the given information on number line. We have to represent it on number line. 2 marks gunshot question you will get. That is happening in every year. Every year essay paper you will get that question. So first we will try to write the questions in the form of p by q. Right. First of all, let us put this on the represent 8 by 5 and minus 8 by 5 on number line. 8 by 5 and minus 8 by 5 on number line. Right. First, I will divide a line into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to represent 8 by 5 and minus 8 by 5 on number line. So this is 0, 0 by 5, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5. We have to divide divide this 2 points between whatsoever is there in the denominator. 5 parts. 1 by 5, 0 by 5, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5, 6 by 5, 7 by 5, here 8 by 5. Here you have to encircle this, representing on number line. Same goes for negative. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 by 5, minus 5 by 5, minus 6 by 5, minus 7 by 5, minus 8 by 5. Minus 8 by 5, and represent this in the number line. So representing the given information is in the number line is one of the important question for 2 marks that you can expect from the real numbers. Next set of important question is express in the form of p by q. Expressing in the form of p by q. So this is actually question number 7. Question number 7 from exercise 1.1. Question number 7 from exercise 1.1. Here we have, it is, the question is, first question, first bit, it is 0.36. 0.36. So how do we write this in the form of p by q means? Very good. So consider that there is no point. Consider that there is no point and write as it is. 0.36 is nothing but 36. 36 divided by, after point 2 numbers are there, divided by 100. Divided by 100. For example, next question, 15.4 is there. This can be written as, remove the point and write it directly. 154 divided by 10. After point 1 number was there, so divided by 10. That's why, right? So cancellation is there, that will do, but just I am writing in the p by q form. Next, 10.25. 10.25 can be written as 1025. 1025 divided by 100 divided by 100. After point, two numbers are there, that's why 100. So now cancel the cancellation of these numbers. You already know this is 6 and 0. Both the numbers are ending with even, so these are divisible by 2. We have to convert into simplest form also. Simplest form also we have to convert. 2 1 is 2, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, 0. So 18 and 50 again these number are divisible in 2. 18 by 50, 2 9s are 18, 2 25. 225. So simplest form is 9 by 25. 0.36 can be written as 9 by 25 in the P by Q form. Same ways 154 by 10. These two numbers are divisible by 2 table. 2 7s are 14. Sorry. 2 7s are 14. 1 carry. 2 7s are 14 and 2 5s are 10. 77 by 5. Prime numbers, these are not divisible, again P by Q form. So same way we can cancel out these numbers also. Any number can be given to convert into the form of P by Q. This is for 2 marks and 2 marks or 4 marks. Similar type of question. This is also a P by Q form wherein we'll get this type of question. 0.5 bar. 0.5 bar. One of the important question. 0.5 bar. How do we do that? Any idea? How do we convert these kind of questions? It depends on, very good, periodicity. It depends on periodicity. So after point, this bar is there. This bar is nothing but the number is repeating bar bar. Correct? If bar is there, what does that bar mean? The number is repeating. Bar bar it is repeating. So 0.5 bar, which means 5 is repeating continuously. So that can be written as 0.5555 like that. So on how many numbers bar is there? That is the periodicity. On how many numbers we have bar, that is considered to be its periodicity. 0.5 bar. What is the periodicity? 1. Periodicity 1. If the periodicity is 1, we have to multiply by 10. If bar is there on 2 numbers, periodicity is 2. We have to multiply by 100. If bar is there on 3 numbers, periodicity is 3. We have to multiply by 1000. That logic we have to apply. So now in this question, we just have to take this as x. Let x is equal to 0.5 bar. 0.5 bar. 0.5 can be written as x is equal to 0.555 so on. Let us take 3 values. 3 are sufficient enough. If 2 digits are there, repeat those 2 digits 3 times. You will get 6 numbers. If 3 digits are there, you will repeat those 3 6 times. You will get 9. 3 is not there in the textbook. However, I am just telling, right? So name this as equation 1. Name this as equation 1. What is the periodicity here? 1. Here you have to write this statement. Here periodicity is 1. So multiply. Very good. Multiply both sides by 10. Both sides we have to multiply by 10. X into 10. X into 10 is equal to 0.555 so on into 10. Right? You know how to multiply by 10. Multiplying by 10, you know that logic, right? If you multiply by 10, this point will be shifted to the right side. Suppose if I have 2.76, I am multiplying by 10. This point will shift over here. It will become 27.6. Right? 4.523 multiply by 100. Point will be shifted 2 numbers because 2 zeros are there. If 1 zero is there, will shift 1 number. If 2 zeros are there, 2 numbers here point will come. So it will become 452.3. Like this, okay? So the same logic will apply over here. X into 10, 10x. 10x is equal to, this is what will, yes, 5.5. Point will shift over. 0.5 is nothing but 5. 5.55. Only 2 5. 3 5s. We have to make sure that for equation 1 and equation 2, equal number of digits should be there after the point. 555. So on. This is equation 2. Now you must be wondering, in this equation there are only 3 5s. But 1 5 came over here. So it is actually supposed to be only 2 5s. How did one another 5 came from? Infinity. So many 5s are there. We can take so many. These dots are nothing but the 5s. We have to make sure we have to take as many 5s which are there in equation 1. So that it is balancing. While subtracting, it will become quite easy for us, right? So in equation 1 and equation 2, in both the equations, after point we have equal number of digits. Correct? In equation 1 and equation 2, we have equal number of digits. So which is the greater one, equation 1 or equation 2? Equation 2, because here on the left hand side 10x only x, 5.5 0.5. So while subtracting, equation 2 minus equation 1. Equation 2 minus equation 1. Subtract equation 2 equation 1 from 2. Equation 1 from 2. From 2 we are taking out 1. So I am writing it over here, don't get confused. As this is a revision series, not the classwork, to write in a proper way, wherever I find space, I will write it over there. Not an issue, right?
Yes, sir.
For you guys as well. So here, 10x, left hand side, here it is, 10x is equal to 5.555, so on.
Yes, sir.
For this equation, it is x is equal to 0.555, so on. Subtraction we have to do. Subtraction. 10x minus x. 9x or 10? X is removed, you will get 10. No, most of the people do that mistake. 10x is nothing but x are there 10 times. I am not. 10x is nothing but x is there 10 times. From the 10 times of x, I remove 1x. How many x's are there? 9x are there. 9x is equal to, subtraction from the right side. 5 minus 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.0. 5 minus 0 is?
0. 5.
5 minus 0 is 5. So, 9x is equal to 5. 9x is equal to 5. From here, x is equal to 5 by 9. This is the P by Q form of 0.5 bar. You will get quite confused again and again. I am telling you, if you are listening it for the very first time, have a little patience. Similar kind of questions is repeated. Once after solving those questions, you will get a better glimpse of it. Okay? Shall I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Next question. What's the next question? Let us do one more question of P by Q form. Then we'll move on to the next type of question. There are 4 bits, right?
Yes, sir.
There are 4 bits. Let us solve 3 or 2 is enough. 2 is enough. What is it? I did not get you. All 5? There are only 4 bits. How did you get 5? Only 4 bits are there. Second, I am doing third bit. 0.36 bar is there on 36. Similar question, 3.8 is there, second bit. 3.8, second bit, you give it a try.
Yes.
You guys try it, and also for the one who are watching, 0.36 bar. What do we do? Same steps. So, solution, let x is equal to 0.36 bar. X is equal to 0.36 bar. On how many numbers point is there? 2 numbers. 2 numbers. So here periodicity is 2. Here periodicity is 2. Periodicity is 2. If the periodicity is 2, by what number are we supposed to multiply? 100. Multiply both sides by 100. I am just writing it like this. Understand? Which means, what is it?
X is equal to 0.36.
Oh, we'll write it here. Not an issue. X is equal to 0.363636, so on. This is equation 1. Clear? Now, periodicity is 2, so multiplying both sides by 100. X into 100, left hand side, x into 100 is equal to 0.363636, so on, into 100. X into 100, 100x. X into 100 is nothing but 100x. Now, point will be shifted after 2 numbers. Here the point will come. So, it is 36.3636. One more 36, because in the equation 1 there are 3 digits. In equation 2 also we have to maintain the similarity, 36. This is considered to be as equation 2. Obviously, equation 2 is bigger than equation 1. So, subtracting 2 minus 1. Subtract equation 1 from 2, you can write. I am just saving a little time. So, this will become 100x on the left hand side is equal to 36.363636, so on. Here, there. X is equal to, do not get confused over here. I will tell you, I have already told you most of the times, while writing this number, make sure that the point is below the point. Otherwise, you will have mistakes while doing subtraction. Point is below the point, 0 is to the left side, and followed by 36, 36, 36, so on. Correct? Subtract 100x minus x, 99x. 99x is equal to 3000. After point, all it is 0 only. Right? 36 minus 0 is 36 only. So x is equal to 36 divided by 99. 99 is in multiplication. If I send over here, it will become division. 36 and 99, both of the numbers are divisible in 3. Very good. 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. 12 and 33, again in 3 table. 3 4s are 12, 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3. So x is equal to 4 by 11. P by Q form of 0.36 bar is 4 by 11. Right? One more question is there. Shall we solve that or not required? Your wish. If it is my wish, I'll solve it. So it is 3.127 bar. Now focus. Bar is there only on 7. Only one number. Only one number, which is 7. Directly we'll start. Let x is equal to 3.12777, so on. How many digits are there after point? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 digits are there. Let us name this as equation 1. On how many numbers bar is there? 1 number. So periodicity is 1. Here periodicity is 1. So multiply by 10. If periodicity is 1, multiply by 10. Periodicity 2, multiply by 100. Periodicity 3, multiply by 1000. To what? To equation 1. X into 10. X into 10 is equal to 3.12777, so on, into 10. Both multiplied by 10. 10 into x. Yeah, x into 10. 10x. 10x is equal to, this will become, point will shift 31 after one number, because only 1 0 is there. Like here 2 zeros are there, that's why we shifted after 2 points. I have already explained you this. So it will become 31.2777. As per this data, only 3 sevens will come. But in equation 1, 5 digits are there after point. So we have to get one more 7. One more 7 to maintain the equality. So this will become equation 2. Clear? Subtract. Same. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. What is equation 2? 10x is equal to 31.2777, so on. Here x is equal to, now here you will get confused. Point below point. So before point 3 is there. So in a hurry, what you will do? You will write this 3 below 3. But where is it actually supposed to come? Below 1. 31 is there, no? 31, this 3 which is there, it is supposed to come below 1, not below 3. In a hurry, you will make this mistake, and in subtraction you will get a wrong answer, and P by Q will be wrong. Make sure that you are in line with this. Right? 3 is there now. 1 2 7 7 7, so on. Minus, subtract if we, this will become 0 0 0. 3 zeros. Here 7 minus 2. 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. 2 minus 1. 1 point. 1 minus 3. Can we do 1 minus 3? Basically 31 minus 3 directly we will do. We will get 28. 31 minus 3. 31 minus 3 is 30. Since when? I don't know. 31 minus 3 is nothing but 30. Point is equal to 10x minus x. 9x. Right. So now this is quite different. In all the previous question, after point we got 0. Now here in this question, after point we have 2 digits. In order to remove the point, what do we do? Yes, x is equal to, let me check what can we do. 2815 divided by 9. If this is divisible in 9, directly I'll cancel. Without multiplying by 100, directly I'll try to cancel. Let's check. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. Is 16 there in 9? No. So that is why we have to multiply both side by 100, like both numerator and denominator by 100. Why are we multiplying by 100? You know this, right? In order to remove the point, this 100 will shift the point towards the right side, and this equation which was there in point will no more be in point, and we can easily cancel that. Right? We have to convert to P by Q form. Point number shouldn't be there. Clear? Suppose after point only 1 digit is there, we'll multiply by 10. After point 2 digits, 100, like that. So x is equal to what will it become? 2815. 2815 divided by 9 into 100? 900. Ending with 5, ending with 0. Will be divisible in 5 table. 5 5s are 25, 3 is remain, 5 6 are 30, 1 is remain, 5 3s are 15, 5 1 is 5, 4 is remain, 5 8s are 40, this 0 as it is. Let us check, is it divisible in 3? 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 3 14, is no, it is not there, so let us leave it here only. X is equal to 563 divided by 180. P by Q form of 3.127 bar is 563 divided by 180. Right. We have another question from the first exercise only. We have to insert 3 irrational numbers between 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. So some pointers you have to remember before solving this question. The first point what you have to do is, first point you have to make the we have to make the denominator same. We have to make the denominator same for both the fractions. We have to make a denominator same. How do we make the denominator same? We have to pick this number and multiply this fraction, entire fraction, which means 3 is multiplied by 3 and 5. 5 is multiplied by 2 and 3. By doing this, what are we doing? First step, making the denominators same. Now multiply solution mein. So it is, I am writing directly, I am just solving. For steps you can check your notes. This is just for understanding purpose. For basic how to present and all, you know, your teachers will teach that in a better way. Right. 3 by 5, I am multiplying that with what number? 3. This fraction is multiplied by denominator of this fraction. This entire fraction is multiplied by denominator of this fraction. Right. 2 by 3 is multiplied by 5. Right. So now this is 3. What will it become? 3 3s 9, 5 3s 15, 2 5s 10, 3 5s 15. So now the first step is completed. 3 by 5 changed to 9 by 15, 2 by 3 changed to 10 by 15. We have the denominator same. Now how many fraction irrational numbers are asked? 3. He has asked 3. So number of fractions, number of irrational numbers he has asked, we have to add 1 to it. If he asks us to find 2 irrational numbers, if he asks us to find 2 irrational numbers, we have to multiply by 3. If he asks to find 4 irrational number, we have to multiply by 5. If he asks to find 5 irrational number, we have to multiply by 6. So in this case, he asks us to find 3 irrational number. By what number we multiply? 4. We multiply both side by 4. So 9 by 15 into 4 here also. Now here this is 10 by 15 into 4 into 4. 9 fours 36. 15 fours 60, comma 10 fours 40, 15 fours 60. Now 3 irrational number from 36 to 40. What are the 3 numbers? 37, 38, 39. 37, 38, 39 are the 3 irrational number. Therefore 3 irrational numbers between 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. 2 by 3 are, what are those? After 36? 37. 37 by 60, comma 38 by 60, comma 39 by 16. So irrational numbers can be anything. It is not just this one. You might find any other method. So in some cases we will take average. This plus this divided by 2. If 2 irrational number or 1 irrational number is asked, so different methods is there. Do not think that those methods are wrong. And you will also see that there is no answer given for this kind of question in the textbook. So everybody has their own answers. Irrational numbers can be infinite. So you can write either of that. Clear? Okay. Next.